My name's Ritchie Moody from Dayton, Ohio. I own 3 different types of businesses. Throughout the 90s, I played professional baseball in the Texas Rangers organization. As I was getting older, started noticing it when I was probably about 27, 28 years old. It was just gradual, and you really don't notice it until you wake up one day and boom, it's gone. Playing professional baseball, there was never a lack of confidence, when I had that hat on. The biggest thing was starting to take the hat off and thinking about my career after the fact. And with that, with the loss of the hair, hey, what's next for Ritchie? You start losing a little bit of confidence, and you just kind of start getting that squeamish feeling that, maybe I'm losing something. Yeah, I did. I checked out a lot of places. When I finally decided to set the appointment, I was still a little bit hesitant, and really what made the difference for me was the consultation with Darren, and then when I got a chance to meet the doctor that did it, I was very happy and very pleased. The procedure was fantastic. No pain, no issues, didn't feel anything. I felt way more than important. They've made that connection with every person that comes through the door to make you feel like you're their only client. This group has the technology to do any consultation anywhere in the world through Skype, FaceTime, or any other technology that's out there, and they will do it to make you feel comfortable and assure you. I talked to 4 or 5 companies. I really enjoyed my experience with PAI because they were flexible with the use of technology. The 4 or 5 companies that I was dealing with wanted me to come. I had to do the, hour face-to-face visit, and to me, that was just a way for them to get me into the door to really hammer that pressure sales pitch. I didn't need that for a life decision that I was getting ready to make. I decided to do the multi-unit. It was fantastic, and actions speak louder than words, and all you gotta do is look at my hair. I got more than what I expected from PAI. Beyond my wildest dreams, the job that they did, the professionalism that they exude, and then the results themselves. The hair feels fantastic. It is my hair, and it looks natural. I just feel great every morning when I get up and I get a chance to look in the mirror and look at a young Ritchie Moody. I would tell other people that if you're thinking about it, do your due diligence, do your research, but go for it. There's no reason to wait. Now is the time to live life. Now is the time to get it done and enjoy the rest of your life. I am thoroughly happy with the results. And again, I can't express enough gratitude to Darren, the staff, and everyone at PAI for the experience that I went through.